Hello friends, Namaskar. Have you ever thought that why there is so much of boredom in our life? We try to fill our life with a lot of stuffs, a lot of things, a lot of activities, but we remain as a void in the form of a zero. Why are we not acting like a hero? So how can we be active like a hero? For that, psychology says, for that you will have to bring, you will have to inculcate, you will have to hone creativity. Only then you will be active like a hero, not like a zero. So first strategy is what? The first strategy is take at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. If you take enough sleep, then there is greater consolidation of whatever learning, whatever memory that you have of your surrounding, of your whatever experiences that you have gained. Then the second one is that take deep breathing. Make a habit of deep breathing. If you do deep breathing, then there will be increase in the level of oxygen, and increase in the level of oxygen enhances activity, functionality of our nervous system. Third is spirituality, mindfulness. What it means? We should try to know. We should try to reflect on who we are. Are we merely body? Or we are some clusters of bundles of thoughts, some emotions, relationships, roles, what we are? Friends, from my own experience, I can say that if you do it, there would be greater enhancement in your creativity. And then fourth very important step is that in order to increase creativity, you should deepen your relationship, warmth in your relationship, friendship, whatever friend circle that you have, whatever number of relationships that you have, try to bring some energy, some kind of warmth, some degree of warmth. Then you will experience that new ideas are coming, because then you will have greater happiness. And fifth very important step is that try to be in the nature. Try to visit some mountains, some forest, rivers. Try to be in the nature. Nature creates, nature induces a kind of freshness in our mind, in our existence. And then friends, another very important strategy is that don't be self-centered. Think about others, think about the nation, think about the society. By doing so, you can inculcate, you can increase creativity in yourself. And another very important step is, normally what happens? We stick to our limits. We don't try to breach our comfort zones. Sometimes it happens that we have some ideas which we love, which we want to pursue, but because of certain fears, we keep on ignoring and avoiding that. So friends, come out of your comfort zones. That is one of the very important strategy. And then last but not the least is that mistakes are the real teacher of our life. So never ignore mistakes, never avoid mistakes, and never think that our life is going to be completely perfect. Our life is never going to be completely perfect. There will be likelihood for some kind of lacunas in our life. Only thing is that we have to reflect on our mistakes. We will have to accept our mistakes, never avoid mistakes. Accept mistakes, whatever mistakes that you commit, and reflect on that. And through that you will have a lot of learning. You will gain a lot of insight. So friends, by inculcating all these particular strategies, you can increase creativity, and I hope for that, I pray for that, I beg for that. Thank you so much.